Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So if you use a Instagram, so in this video I will show you how to prevent your Instagram account from my spam followers so that they cannot easily follow you. So I will show you in my mobile screen what settings you have to enable it. So for this, open your Instagram account and click on this three line on the top right. You can see. So here you need to scroll down and you will see the option as follow and invite friends. You have to click on this one. And here you will see one option as flag for review. So you have to enable this. So you can read this: followers and follow request from a certain profile including potential spam will be flagged and moved to a separate section of your followers list. So in this way you can enable this. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.